5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, I am si Dito Matulak and I'm here to discuss about the growth potential analysis. First, what are my objectives? My objectives are, first, to define the growth potential analysis and growth potential ratio. Next, to calculate and interpret the growth potential. But before that, what is growth potential? Growth potential is a mathematical probability that a business will become larger. It is often a barometer for investment, interest from public and private investors, venture and capitalists and other stock stakeholders. Growth potential ratio is a ratio used in this classification to stockholders and creditors, as it allows the stockholders to determine what company is worth and allows creditors to estimate the company's ability to pay its existing debt and evaluate their additional debt application. The formula to get the growth potential ratio is G, wherein G is the growth, is equal to retention rate, or 1 minus dividend declared over the net income multiplied to return on equity, which is net income over total equity. In this part, you will see the financial statement of San Miguel Corporation, wherein the total dividend paid are given, the net income are also given, and also the total equity. In this part, you will see the computation of growth potential of San Miguel Corporation. Here is the growth of 2010, wherein the dividend declared is negative 21,118 over the net income of 20,091 multiplied to return on equity, or the net income over the total equity. Here's the computation of 2011, which is 11%. Growth potential of 2012, which is 15%. Growth potential of 2013, which is 22%. As you can see here, being the base year of 20%, which is 20%, and it is kind of unfavorable to 2011 because of the decrease on the percentage of growth potential, which is also unfavorable to year 2012, which is also unfavorable. In 2013, you will see that there is a favorable growth with 22% in growth potential of San Miguel Corporation. And to discuss more about the growth potential and the comparison about the San Miguel Corporation and Globe Telecom, Ms. Janine Morales will post a video about its comparison. That's all. Thank you.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. You will find a clearer version of the financial statement of San Miguel Corporation.